Today you are going to be amazed by what you're about to see. And honestly, you're going to be blown away by the upcoming AI model that will be available very soon on Higgsfield. As you all know, Higgsfield is considered one of the best AI platforms for generating videos, and we've already explained it before, but here's what's new. For us as digital product sellers for kids, or as social media content creators, or even for anyone thinking about making money online, this video is going to completely change the way you think. When we create a digital product, we can now generate a professional video for it with just one click, then publish it on social media to increase sales, and also earn from views, ads, and more. And if you don't sell digital products at all, and you only want to make money from videos, then this video is going to help you a lot. With just one click, you can create professional videos, and what's coming next is even better. If we want to create a video, we simply go to the Video tab at the top, then choose the model we want to generate the video with. Today, our main focus is on Kling 2.6. Once we select it, all we have to do is choose the video size, then choose the number of seconds. You'll notice it only supports 5 to 10 seconds per video, so if you want to create a longer video, you'll need to generate short clips and then merge them together. Also, this model, which is currently the latest Kling model, only supports 1080p quality. And that's exactly why I made this video for you, because Kling 3 is going to be launched very soon, and it will be available on Higgsfield. And based on all expectations so far, this model is going to be absolutely mind-blowing. Expectations around Kling 3.0 are pointing to a real paradigm shift in the world of AI video generation. Not just another technical update. All the signs suggest that Kling 3.0 is coming with the mindset of a cinematic director, not just a basic video generator. We're talking about advanced physical simulation that controls gravity, fluid motion, and complex object interactions in a far more realistic way, all the way to a true native 4K cinematic workflow with ultra-high quality integrated text rendering. And that's not all. Expectations also include advanced audio generation, creating unique voices for each character and syncing them directly with the video in real time. With support for multi-shot storytelling, Kling 3.0 could generate entire scenes in a single pass, automatically handling camera transitions and dialogue styles like shot-reverse shot. If this vision becomes reality, we're looking at a mini cinematic production platform that dramatically closes the gap between AI tools and traditional production pipelines, and gives creators unprecedented directorial power. Of course, it's important to clarify that all of this is based on general signals, community discussions, and industry expectations. Official specifications for Kling 3.0 have not been confirmed yet, but if even part of this becomes real, what's coming next is going to be huge. Now, to truly understand how powerful the new model will be with all those massive updates we talked about, we first need to try the current model and actually see it in action, so we can imagine how incredible the next version is going to be. Let's go ahead and create some videos together right now, and I'll also show you exactly how to benefit from them and how to make money using them. First, right here, we choose the model, and for now, it's going to be Kling 2.6. After that, in the Images section, if you already have a character and you want the video to be based on that character, you can upload the image right here. But this time, I'm not going to upload anything. Next, we simply write the prompt. Just imagine the scene you want and type it here. And if you can't visualize it clearly, no problem at all. You can ask ChatGPT, and it will write the prompt for you in full detail. Then you choose whether you want your video to include sound or not. And honestly, the sound feature is one of the best features in the current model, and it's going to be developed even more in the next version. After that, as we mentioned before, you select the model you want to generate the video with. And very soon, the amazing new model, Kling 3, will be available on Higgsfield. I've left the links for you down below. Go ahead and sign up using the link in the description or the pinned comment. Then we choose the number of seconds we want. Instead of 5 seconds, I'm going to set it to 10 seconds. And just like I told you earlier, one of the best upgrades in the new model will be support for longer durations, meaning you'll be able to generate a full video with just one click. Now we hit generate, and let's watch the result together.
Oh no, my carrot!
Here. Here you go. Thank you. Ew.
The result from the very first try is absolutely amazing. And as you can see, these can be children's story videos that bring in millions of views. And I'm sure you already know this. Creating a video like this used to cost hundreds of dollars in the past. But now, thanks to AI, everything has become incredibly easy and accessible. Just look at the quality and the beauty of the videos created by Kling 2.0. Now imagine the level of detail and resolution we're going to get with Kling 3. It's going to be on a whole different level. And to understand even more about the other available models, for example, Kling Motion Control, here you can upload your own character, whether it's your photo or an avatar you created earlier using the amazing AI Influencer tool. Then, if you have another video, maybe you saw a specific movement trending on social media, and you want your character to move exactly like that, you simply upload the movement video right here. After that, you choose the model and set the quality to 1080p. And with just one click on generate, the system will easily make your character or avatar move exactly the same way as the motion you uploaded in the video section. This feature is extremely powerful, especially for Instagram content. Now, the Kling 3.0 video edit model is specifically designed for video editing. If we select it, all you have to do is upload your video in the video section, and if you have images, you upload them right here. Then you write the prompt, telling it exactly what you want edited. For example, change this or adjust that. Choose the quality and hit generate. And here's the really exciting part. Expectations indicate that Kling 3 will include this feature as well. So for example, this video we just created, if we want to edit only this rabbit or change anything specific about it, we won't need to create a brand new video. We'll simply ask Kling 3 to edit only that specific part of the video we want, and it will do it with high-level professional precision. Now let's create more videos so I can show you exactly how we can use this to make money online. For example, if you go and create a new kids cartoon video,
Thank you.
Thank you. Ew.
look at this incredible result. The video includes sound, high resolution, and honestly, it looks like a cartoon produced by one of the biggest animation studios in the world. And all of this was done with one click, which means real profit potential if you create a kids cartoon YouTube channel. Let's create another video, but this time not a cartoon. This will be a more realistic video, so we can test whether this model can generate real lifestyle footage with amazing quality.
Oops! Ha! Let's build it again.
And look at the result right now. This is truly impressive. And here's an idea that just came to my mind. You already know that I specialize in creating educational products for kids. For example, if I create a book that teaches children the alphabet and I want to increase my sales, all I have to do is create a video teaching one of the letters. Let's say the letter B. Now look at the result.
B for banana.
It's amazing, but there's just one small thing missing. The banana image isn't fully realistic. Right now, to fix that, we'd need to recreate the entire video again. But once Kling 3 is officially released very soon, all you'll need to say is, make this banana realistic, and it will fix it without changing anything else in the video. This is exactly why I'm waiting for this model with huge anticipation. You'll find the link and the article below this video. Go check it out and learn more about it. I'll see you in a new video, and I truly hope you found this helpful. Goodbye.